Foreground silhouettes can dramatically enhance depth and instantly make a scene feel more cinematic. Today, how to explore Photo Bash silhouette framing. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3600 by 2000 pixels. Import a bright environment scene, such as a sunset landscape or glowing city skyline, and place it across the canvas as your base layer. Now, bring in a foreground element like tree branches, rocks, or architectural shapes and position them along the edges of the frame. Use Free Transform to enlarge them slightly so they naturally frame the composition. Go to Image, Adjustments, then